Magandang hapon po ng February 15, 2024, Thursday. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 5 p.m. draws ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng February 15, 2024, Thursday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 5 p.m. 3D Lotto 5 p.m. result ngayong hapon ng Thursday, February 15, 2024. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 5 p.m. 'See you again later for 9 p.m. result of Super Lotto 649, Lotto 642, 6D Lotto, 3D Lotto, and 2D Lotto for February 15, 2024, Thursday. Tonight's jackpot estimates of Super Lotto 649 is 62.5 million pesos and Lotto 642 jackpot price estimates is 5.9 million pesos for Thursday, February 15, 2024. Thank you for watching this 5 p.m. video for February 15, 2024, Thursday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.